Alright, let's talk. Alright, we have sparklers right now. We're doing another video. It's only 9:43. It's only 9:43 and there's so many fireworks going on.
We got sparkler, boys. We got some bling. We got more coming too, guys. So you guys might have to stay tuned.
Helen, you don't do that. Did it get you, Helen?
You okay, Helen?
We got both of them now, boys.
Put in the pool.
Put in the grass. I
So
don't want
guys,
Hey, go in the grass with those. Corbin, in the grass.
Mommy, I want to do this one.
Are you gonna whine and complain? Where's the lighter? Who has the lighter? What'd you do?
It's right here.
On the grass.
Alright, see guys. Alright, guys.
Alright guys, so a lot of you guys probably are wondering like why I dropped the sparkler. But the real reason is because when I was holding it,
There was,
great work. Great work, people. Hold on, don't say that. And I served in the army. We're leaving?
This one's done.
Okay.
wait, can we go swimming?
When? Here?
No, your house or our house.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
So the real reason is I was lighting it, and I guess I was holding it too close, and the spark like hit my finger. This is like an ice cold water. I have to hold it, or like it'll burn the heck out of me. But that is the reason why I jumped out of the camera and dropped the sparkler.
And
It still hurts right now, but it'll be fine. We should show them the fireworks. How many places are
yeah, so we have so many fireworks. I'll show you guys.
Here's the one downstairs.
Alright, just letting you guys know. Okay, hold on. Holy. Big one. Okay.
There's some behind you because it's feet away.
You doing an interview? Oh,
Yeah.
look at all this.
Yeah, I know.
Holy shit, that whole skyline's going nuts.
That whole
Look at
what?
all them fuckers.
Yeah, that's probably over Mason or Liberty.
Yeah.
Helen, talk.
But still,
Oh.
that's all the way across.
We might be still going on the pool later. We'll probably video like us driving off the diving board. Like just set it up somewhere in the video. I don't really know that yet. But yeah, those are all the fireworks. It's a lot.
They're letting them rip, boys and girls. And they're
served in the army.
comment below what's your favorite U.S. song for
Yeah,
America 250.
Oh, man.
And I'll read my favorite song, okay? And then maybe
Here,
we might get a shout out. We don't know
oh
yet.
yeah, we should do shout outs. Like our first subscriber, like something like that. You know?
We might. Maybe our 20s.
Oh my god, this lighting's so bad, but oh well. Alright, we're gonna be back.
Back
We're gonna
in a
go
little.
set it up so we can go swimming. Okay?
Right here. Here's the pool, and like fireworks are going off. I need to get it right now. Everywhere, like that way, and that way. So we're gonna do a shout out in the next video. All right.
I served in the army.
All right, go,
I
Kellen.
want my hand. You go first.
All right. So I'm gonna be back.
Wait, no,
Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Alright, this is Corbin's sister, by the way, guys. She wanted to say hi.
Hi.
Whoa. Whoa. Okay, Corbin, go.
I'm gonna get in the water too.
Okay, great.
All
Go.
Sorry that you messed with the U.S. of A. Cause we'll put a pin in her.
Yes.
All right, here we go. What's America one jumping in?
Hurry.
We don't touch the water. We just go.
Hey.
Woo!
Whoa. Hey, over there. some
Bear, come on!
bear.
Alright, we'll be back when he's out.
Hey guys, I set the camera up now. He's already in the pool. We're gonna swim in the deep end.
Cohen,
What?
jump and keep your
The camera can't see you over there, by the way.
what?
The camera cannot see you over there, by the way.
Can they see me?
Oh my god, I just almost hit my head.
Yeah, I know.
Oh my god. I lost all my necklaces, bro. Okay, we're gonna have to go in the water because I just lost all the necklaces. I was wearing 3.
Alright, it's carbs.
Oh my god.
Jump off.
That's the most terrifying.
I'm not gonna do it.
Emerson! Woo!
I know, those are so funny.
Huh?
Oh!
Yeah.
I'm getting in the pool!
I just put all of our towels away.
Okay.
Guys, you guys are on video, you know that?
Don't care.
Alright, there's 2 new people in the video, so they might not be in the video every time, but they might be. No, go. Come on. Yeah, go right now.
Hi, guys.
Go.
I'll go right now.
Go.
Yeah, ever since then. I'm
Hurry,
Right.
I'm full.
right. No, I understand.
Yeah.
All it takes is one. Oh, that's right. What the frick?
Camera.
Let's go on hands. Okay. We're all gonna jump.
Alright. Oh, like this? I'll go first. Hold on.
Go right there. Here,
No, no, I have an idea.
Emerson, okay. Go like this. Turn. Okay.
Alright, 3, 2.
Right now.
Whoa! Let's do that again. That was a big fail.
I need a double pump.
Bro.
I need a double pump. Go.
Woo!
Guys, come on, we're doing another one.
Why are you facing it that way? The diving board isn't right there.
Go! Hey! Hey! Hey!
Why do we have to turn in the back? 2, 1. Wait, I have a better idea. No, guys, let me go first. I have an idea.
Go! Everyone go!
Everyone jump. Come on, Emerson.
Go!
Ow! I
Keep it going! Woo! Keep it going! Hurry, hurry! Football!
Go!
Go, Karen!
Watch out.
Wait!
No, I have a better idea.
You have to watch out right away.
Jump this. No, jump. Stop.
Whoa!
She was screaming as she went in the water.
Good. I have an
Alright. See you guys. Good luck.
Backwards.
No,
We all line up right here. Backwards.
No, Kellen.
Don't. We gotta video it.
All right, let's go.
Here, Emerson, go there.
Wait.
Cameron, come over here. Cameron, you need to be right here.
All right,
All right.
go.
3, 2, 1.
It's America.
That was so
250.
good. All right, now let's all do something new. Team Division 1.
What's up?
Hey, everyone dive in.
Hold on.
3, 2, 1. March,
Go, 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 go. Emerson, go. Go, Cameron, go. Kellen, go.
America 250.
Corbin, back on.
No. No. We
Hey, you guys just jump backwards.
Kellen, do whatever.
Frankenstein. Go, fireworks. Go right there.
America, you're in a 1, 4, 2, 50 years now. Come on.
I'm not.
Go.
Okay, here I go.
You said hurry up and you're still here. Let's go. Go.
You be sorry that you messed with. USA.
USA, baby.
Wait, guys.
I feel proud of
U S Hold on, do right there.
No,
And jump back.
no, I'm saying we all fall sideways.
You.
That.
You.
us. Like us.
But then it won't be fair.
You do like this. You do. Like a quotation mark. You.
Us.
Hey. Boom.
You like fell on top of me.
I have an idea.
I'm born and raised in the USA. Let's go.
Go, 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 go.
Let's go. USA Cannonball. Go.
USA.
USA, baby.
Wait, Paul.
Woo, go, Emerson.
Woo.
All right. We're going to do wait full. See you back.